Hello, Richard here from EagleSix Airsoft. We're going to be testing this TM SD6 MP5 NGRS. This has got level 6 kit installed. So we've got the EagleSix upgraded mainspring. We've got the PSIONIC HOP kit. We've got the Prometheus 229 NGRS barrel. We've got the FPS bushings. We've got the Prometheus hard gears in 18:1. We've got the FPS piston heads, FPS carbon fibre piston, that's obviously the AK one that's been modified. We've got the FPS cylinder head, we've got the FPS cylinder, and we've got the TM cobalt high torque motor, and producing a nice rate of fire. And we're just here to, we've also got the FPS air nozzle, the purple one as well. And we're just going to be demonstrate it now on some 3.2s. So FPS is right up there on the limit for 3.2s. It's about 274. You can see for a CQB gun, you know, obviously with 3.2s, the benefit of those is obviously hitting incredibly hard, you know, to the point where obviously if somebody was sort of popping out from a doorway and you did get them, obviously all those BBs are just going in that same place. 3.2s, so they're hitting hard, the kind of hard that, you know, makes people obviously want to put their hand up and ideally probably not go back in that hallway, you know. So for room clearance, obviously it's a great gun, and we recommend obviously the upgrades to really just sort of hammer home. We don't like sort of lightweight ammo in CQB like some people sort of trend to. You know, you want to obviously get people and you want to make sure that they put their hand up. Obviously all those BBs are in the same place. Means you don't need hundreds of rounds, you just need the 3 of them. There we go, all tested. We hope you enjoy and have lots of fun. Thank you.